Liteye Systems awarded $12.1 million contract for air defense systems. Colorado-based Liteye Systems Incorporated has won a $12.1 million multi-year contract with the U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) to provide its entire portfolio of integrated multi-domain, multi-mission air-based surface and ground defense systems, including counter-UAS, CUAS, solutions, says a company announcement. As the commercial drone industry expands and the number of drones in the airspace increases, government and civil agencies have prioritized the implementation of counter-drone systems, commonly referred to as CUAS. DoD and other U.S. government agencies have shown increased willingness to partner with commercial technology suppliers rather than building in-house systems, as the Liteye DoD contract demonstrates. Under the contract, Liteye will develop and integrate its entire suite of CUAS and ground surveillance products to detect, identify, track, and defend from Class 1 and 2 unmanned aerial systems while providing complementary or standalone ground defense capabilities in a variety of environments. The integration of products will provide surveillance, targeting, and both electronic and kinetic effectors for fixed/semi-fixed, mobile, and dismounted environments. This award is the result of a long-term effort between Liteye, our partners, and the DoD to establish a vehicle to expeditiously provide critical capabilities to the warfighter, said Kenneth Geyer, Liteye Systems CEO. Liteye and our partners look forward to developing, integrating, and fielding these advanced capabilities with the DoD. Liteye will display their CUAS solutions at the 2022 Liteye Live event held on 24 to 25 May 2022 in Briggsdale, Colorado. Liteye's multi-mission/multi-domain solutions can be layered with multiple effectors and battle management systems to respond to threats operating in the air, on the ground, on the surface, and in the electromagnetic spectrum. These solutions can be configured for customized mission platforms, fixed/semi-fixed, light vehicle/man-portable, mobile, and unmanned/uncrewed robotic vehicles. Read more commercial drone industry news at dronelife.com.